Hello friends, this is Pratima back again with a new and innovative video as promised always. Today I am going to give you a review about the product which I have recently bought from an online website. I'm sure you all are very much fond of shopping, especially the ladies, and Amazon is one of the very well-known online shopping store where you can get all types of garments, all types of beauty products, styling products, etc, etc. So a week ago I was going through the this website online app, and I have just liked a very beautiful dress, which is a gown which can also be stated as a maxi dress, whatever you say. Now just today I have got the dress delivered and I didn't even open the packing. I was just very much eager to show that to you, to my all friends. I will share my happiness with you and show you everything about the dress. I will show the dress live, the pros and cons you will know about the dress, so that once if you come across the dress, you won't have any any hesitation whether to buy or whether not to buy. You will know everything about it, and I will show you everything, the quality of the dress, the material, the looks, the color, everything you will know in this video. So let's get started. Hey guys, this is the packing that I have got from Amazon, and now I'm going to open it up. This is the scissor and I'm going to cut it. So see, the dress has come with a transparent poly bag. See, this is the dress and I'm just opening it up. See, this one is the gown. See the color of the dress. It is a green color, a light green color. The body is light green color with black, then red, then purple, light purple color patches. See the patches, look at it. And the quality of this dress is really awesome. This is you can say it can be chiffon, it can be this georgette material. This is non-wrinkled dress. You don't have to iron it out. You can just wear the dress anywhere you like. You don't need to maintain it very well. It's just hand washing will be fine. And see, and just below the dress you are getting a lining. Material is so soft. It's a thick lining, so you don't need to wear anything inside this dress because it's already a thick lining, and you can just wear the dress and go outside, go to a party, meet with your friends, anything that you like. So I'm liking this dress very much. You get the dress online in sleeveless mode, and there is a sleeve also inside. You can get the sleeve tucked. I will prefer the sleeves because I don't prefer the sleeveless dress. So the neck portion is also, it's a little bit low neck dress. So for those ladies who don't like wearing low neck, that will be a problem for them. So that is a con, you can say. Otherwise the dress is very beautiful, and the price is also really very affordable. Guess how much? It's just within 1,999. I will be giving the entire details of this dress because I will be sharing the link in the description box. You can just click the link and you can go to the Amazon app or Amazon website and you can shop it without any hassle. So and I will try this dress and you tell me how am I looking with this dress. So let's see. Friends, now see the dress. I have worn the dress and see the look. It's really beautiful. The name of the dress is Harpa's Women's A-line dress. This you can get in two variety. This is the color I have bought. Another is blue and deep blue as well as light blue combination. I think this is better because this has different color patches and it's really looking awesome. The frill is good, the quality is good, the size you will get in all the size, S, M, L, XL, in all size. You can see the size chart and then place the order. And the price is 999 and you will get it without shipping. Yes, the Harpa is providing you this privilege of getting the dress without shipping. The dress is really awesome. Guys, see, this is the front view of the dress. I have taken the photograph. See, in all the angles it's looking really awesome. I really liked it. You also can go for it. Friends, I hope you have seen the full video. If you have not seen the video, then you have missed really something very important. Yes, I have worn the dress and I have shown you live the material as well as the flaunt of the dress, how it goes, the flappiness, then the entire look of the dress, the color combination. So everything I have shown you in this video. So now tell me, how did you like this video? How was the review? And whether the dress really matched me? Just write in the comment section. And if you want any changes in my next videos, please write in the comment section. This will motivate me to do something more for you. So and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up and I will definitely be uploading more and more videos for your convenience, so that you don't face any type of hassle while you are shopping online. So your friend is always there to help you out. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching today. I'll end it today this much. I'll end it today and I will come back with more innovative and more useful video. So thank you. Stay safe.